boys and girls, and welcome to Garden Guitar Beabadoobee with the song called Beaches. So a lot of B and Badoobee beaches. Anyway, nice song, nice names. Everything is nice. Let's go into this song here. We're gonna use a setup with capo on 3rd fret. With that, we have pretty easy chords. That's the best scenario for us. So let's do that and go over the chords. Now starting with A minor. All right, so that goes open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. We have D as the next chord. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. We have G next. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, 3rd E. We also got the C chord. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Then we have a chord that goes, that I name CB. And what that is just a transition chord from C. You go to CB. What you do there is to just change the bass note. So I keep that chord there, but I just do this, all right? So you can actually keep the 1st fret B string down there and just go with the 2nd A, everything else in between there, and even the E string is open. So that gives us 2nd on A, open D, open G, 1st B, and open E. That's just a short step on the CB, so you're not gonna stay there for long. It's just a transition, like I mentioned. So that's a CB chord, and then we also get the DF chord. That is basically the D chord, but with an F sharp in the bass. So you're gonna grip 2nd on E, open A, open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and open E. And there, I believe we covered all chords. We'll have a C and the C sharp later, but I'm just gonna mention how you do that when we come to that point. It's now not really a chord like that. So anyway, we'll come to that. Now let's go into the strumming. We need that. So we have a strumming pattern that is divided into 2 different parts. So we're gonna look at the transition here from A minor to D, which splits on this strumming pattern. So the first part, grab A minor. You're gonna play just down, down. And that's it. So then you shift chord in this case to D and play part 2, and that is up, down, 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 up. So up, down, and then down, down, up. Right? So up, down, then down, down, up. So one full round will be down, down, up, down, 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 up. If you have the A minor, we're gonna play one full round of A minor later. Then one round goes like this. In a couple rounds. Alright, so we're ready for this song. And this song starts with an intro part. And you're gonna play A minor, part 1, the down, down. Then D, part 2, the up, down, 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 up. Then G, part 1, and C, part 2. That is the first half of the intro. So and the second half of it will be A minor part 1, D part 2, G part 1, in the same way so far. But then you have C, up, down, and then the CB, down, down, up. So the last 2 chords, C and CB, they split even in the part 2. So C, up, down, and then CB, down, down, up. So A minor part 1, D part 2, G part 1, and then C, up, down, CB, down, down, up, like this. So that is the intro part. All right, let's have that out of the picture. Now let's go into the actual song, starting with the first verse. So this first verse is about 4 rounds. The first 3 rounds will be A minor part 1, D part 2, G part 1, and C part 2. We already played that in the intro, so you do that for 3 rounds. So A minor part 1, D, G, and C. That's for 3 rounds, and the 4th round will be to play A minor 1 full round and then D 1 full round. So, alright, so that is the verse. First verse, over now to the first chorus. You're gonna continue the same way pretty much. Just a slight difference there. You're gonna play A minor part 1, D part 2, G part 1, and C part 2. We know that by now. You're gonna play that for 3 rounds, but in the end there, the last C, in the 3rd round, you're gonna play that C not only for part 2, but also part 1. So you play backwards pretty much. So you play C in the 3rd round here, up, down, 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 up, then plus part 1, down, down. Okay? That's in the 3rd round. And then in 4th round, you end in the same way as in the verse, A minor 1 full round and D 1 full round. So I'm gonna play for you the 3rd round here of A minor part 1, D part 2, G part 1, and then the special C here with part 2 plus part 1, and then the ending of A minor 1 full round and D 1 full round. And it goes like this. There you have the ending of this first chorus. Then comes the instrumental part, and that instrumental part is played in the same way as the second half of the intro. If you remembered, we have the A minor part 1, D part 2, G part 1, then we have C up, down, and then C, B, down, up. You're gonna play that part for 2 rounds. So 1 round goes like this. 2 rounds of that, and that is your instrumental part. Then over now to the 2nd round of everything, and it's played in the exact same way as the 1st round. The 2nd verse is played in the same way as the 1st one, and that even goes with the 2nd chorus. After the 2nd chorus, we have a solo part. It's about 2 minutes and 1 second into the song, and that is to play another round of the chorus. So just an extra chorus play there, that's the solo. And right after that solo comes a bridge part. We're now about 2 minutes and 25 seconds into the song. And now we'll change it up a little bit, things here, both with chords and strumming. The strumming now, if you grab the first chord, will be for G. And the strumming goes just 4 downs, like this. So down, 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 down. I like to emphasize the 3rd down, so I play the 1st, 2nd, and the 4th down more on the bass strings, but the 3rd down I play a little bit more on the higher strings. So bass, bass, top, bass. Alright, so 1 round is 4 downs, and we're gonna play G 1 full round, then the D, F 1 full round, and C 2 full rounds. That portion you play for 2 rounds, so G1, DF1, C2 for 2 rounds. Then you're going to continue with G1, DF1, C1, and then we have this special C sharp for 2 rounds. And what you do there is just keep the C there, and then I reach out with my pinky on the 4th fret A string. So instead of having that on the 3rd fret for the standard C, I get the C sharp note on the 4th fret, and I stay with that strumming for 2 rounds, and then you go back to play the C for 4 rounds. And you're gonna play that for only this 1 chord progression. So to summarize the bridge part, it was G 1 full round, D, F 1 full round, and C 2 full rounds. You play that for 2 rounds, okay? Then you continue with G1, DF1, C1, C sharp 2, and back to C4. Okay, so it goes like this. Again, G1, DF1, F1, D F1, C1, C2, and C4. So then there's C1, C sharp 2, and C4, and that ends the bridge part. And then we have just the final parts left there, and that is to play the third chorus played in the exact same way as the previous choruses, so no changes there. And then the outro part, and the outro part is just to play the instrumental part. We played that before, the A minor, D, G, C, and the C beat. You play that for 4 rounds. And that, my friends, wraps it up for Beabadoobee Beaches. Nice song there. So I hope you enjoyed it. I know Beabadoobee has a lot of fans out there, so I hope you are one of them and that you are satisfied with this. And if you are, feel free to support me here on Gordon Guitar. Thank you so much, guys. I hope to see you soon and play tuned.